바다 한가운데
Located in the front portion of the wreck.
그 깊은 심연에는 여객선이 침몰되어 있었고
Bring her up.
부력 탱크에 공기를 주입하자 거대한 선체가 모습을 드러내죠. 내부로 진입하려던 그때
Radar contact. Something incoming.
무언가가 이들을 향해 다가오고 있습니다.
Luke, I need you to come in. There's
과연 이 물건은 무엇이며
the airbags failed. They don't have long.
다가오고 있는 것의 정체는 무엇일까요? 영화 젊음의 샘 시작합니다.
Hey, Kassem! This is a coincidence. What are you doing here?
친한 지인으로 보이는 이들. 그런데
There's something that doesn't belong to you. Rolled up in the tube on your back. Belongs to my boss.
추격전을 벌이는 중입니다.
Bit ambiguous who it belongs to, isn't it?
보물 사냥꾼 루크는 범죄 조직의 그림 유물을 훔쳤고
It's open to a multiplicity of meanings.
뻔뻔한 그를 위해 조직원들은
Let me make it not ambiguous.
말 따윈 하지 않습니다.
Whoa, okay. All right, let me just find a place to pull over.
그렇게 루크의 도주가 시작되는데 이 긴박한 상황에서도 그는
Excuse me.
여유롭게 추격을 따돌리는데
Hey, Murph, I'm not gonna make it to the airport. I need another way.
하지만 골목에서 마주친 일당들
Take the train out of Bangkok to Chiang Mai.
상황이 급박해지자 추격신의 국룰 장면 차량 탈취를 시전하죠. 마지막은 비장의 수. 그렇게 조직원들을 따돌리고 한 기차역에 도착하는데
Sorry, coming through.
이미 출발하기 시작한 기차. 결국 기차에 탑승하고 추격전의 여파로 잠깐 잠에 드는데 그런 그의 앞에 있는 한 여자.
You talk in your sleep.
Should we start with names?
I think the less you know, the better. Mr. Purdue?
You are not here on vacation.
Business.
What business are you in?
I recover rare and unique paintings,
루크가 훔친 물건을
sometimes in leather tubes.
Well, that's a coincidence.
회수하러 왔습니다.
너 그만 밑장 빼기니?
그렇게 그녀에게 그림을 빼앗기죠.
You're not with Kassem?
그런데
Who's Kassam?
그녀는 루크를 쫓는 조직과 아무런 연관이 없어 보입니다. 그녀에 대한 의문을 뒤로 한 채
Murph, train didn't work out either.
유유히 그곳을 벗어났고
Can you please lock up the West Wing?
그가 다시 나타난 곳은
Remarkable painting. Wonderful silk slippers.
Luke?
여동생 샬럿이 큐레이터로 근무하는 박물관.
Charlotte, do you think this is really what you should be doing?
I like what I do, and I'm good at it.
어릴 적 아버지와 루크를 따라 모험을 떠나는 걸 즐겼던 샬럿은
Don't you miss that?
Yeah, but that was 10 years ago. Dad died juggling a job, and I had to grow up.
어른이 되며 현실에 순응하게 되었고
You call yourself a curator, but I think there's a unnatural split in the Holy Family.
I can't see anything.
Take a look between the two angels into his 10 tiny but fat pink toes.
그녀와 달리 남성 침략이 없는 이유를
You'll find it.
보여주죠.
What are you doing? Luke! Don't do this to me!
루크를 가까스로 따라잡은 샬럿은
You've been in the country 10 minutes. What, did you steal this too? You give that painting back.
I will, but first, get in, and you can have it back. It's now or never.
No!
어쩔 수 없이 차에 타게 되고
This has to stop!
가볍게 경찰을 따돌리며 샬럿은 공범이 되어버립니다.
You're still working with Dad's old team?
What are you doing to my painting?
Nothing there.
That's not good.
What's not good?
Nothing.
뭔가 수상하지만 다행히도
You can have your painting. I'll take you back.
루크의 폭주는 여기서 멈췄고
I can see you're doing that thing. When she's mad, you stop breathing. Well, we're just gonna breathe. Let's all close our eyes. And on three. 1, 2, 3.
다 봤죠?
인근의 공원에서 눈을 뜬 샬럿. 박물관으로 돌아온 그녀는
But you are curator of this museum, and you've been missing for a few hours.
오빠가 남기고 간 흔적을 오롯이 감당해야만 했고
Special Detective Jamal Abbas, Interpol.
Charlotte Purdue, wrongfully accused.
Did you know your brother's linked to a string of high-profile art theft?
I tried to stop him for obvious reasons.
Can you at least tell me where he is?
If I knew where he was, I assure you, you'd be the first to know.
인터폴의 의심과 함께
Where is he?
Charlotte, you look fantastic.
Which genius will explain to me why I am now unemployed?
직장마저 잃어버리고 말았죠.
You should tell her.
We're looking for the Fountain of Youth.
이제 갈 곳도 없어진 샬럿은
And you are?
I'm Owen Carver.
And you do?
I do the money.
최악의 경우 함께할지도 모를 팀에
And you're paying for this?
Guilty as charged.
Your motivation being more money?
실체를 파헤쳐보는데
I'm dying. Liver cancer.
탈룰라 선언에 숙연해져 버렸고
If the fountain restores youth and health, maybe it can save me.
So my brother has sold you on the idea that there's some snake oil super juice at the end of this journey?
No, I sold him.
Then allow me to clothe the elephant that is stumbling around this room. You are proposing that there is a literal liquid that expresses itself through a magical fountain that once consumed gives access to an eternal, bliss-filled life.
이 터무니없는 전설은
That there is a seed of truth cloaked within every myth, metaphor, or fable.
Herodotus wrote about it. The Mahabharata talks about it.
각종 문헌이 뒷받침하고 있었고
But it also says that that location is being hidden from man by God.
그 위치를 수호하는 집단까지 있었죠.
These people were called protectors of the path.
And has anyone ever met any of these protectors?
사실 길의 수호자는
I may have had a little tussle with one in Thailand.
루크와 기차에서 싸운 여성이었죠.
In the 1600s, 6 artists made a pact to reveal the location. Each one hid a clue in their paintings.
그렇기에 그림들을 훔쳐왔던 루크.
The El Greco was stolen from the Gardner Museum in Boston in 1990.
Missing no more.
Each canvas is marked on the back with invisible dye and a secret signature which reads Sex et unum.
6 in 1.
6 canvases, 1 path.
그 6개의 단서 중
Each is also marked with a different letter. D, K, K, E, A.
5개를 확보한 상황이지만
We just haven't figured out what they mean yet.
Now I understand why I'm here.
샬럿의 일터에서 훔친 그림에서
There's no markings on the back.
알파벳을 발견하지 못했고
Why are there no markings on the back?
It's a forgery.
샬럿이 그 이유를 알고 있었죠.
And you know where the real one is.
하지만
Not my business.
직장을 잃은 데다가
And thanks to you, I could now lose custody of him.
남편과 이혼 절차를 진행 중인 샬럿이 양육권을 주장하기도 힘들어진 상황.
Then let me help you. I have a whole army of highfalutin lawyers.
And what if you were wrong about this little adventure?
Then at least I'll have had a little adventure.
하지만 끝내
Thought that would work.
You might want to check Alfred Gwynne Vanderbilt. He was known to have a passion for Rembrandt.
힌트 하나를 남겨주고 떠나가 버리고 말았죠. 그리고 다음 날
Something smells good. That is the exotic aroma of danger.
다시 루크를 찾아온 그녀.
Is this a date?
No, I'm actually here to help you avoid getting hurt or anyone else getting hurt.
그리고 이 와중에
The train. I felt it.
그녀에게 홀딱 빠져버린 루크.
Drink?
No. Do you even know why it's hidden?
No. But I'm very curious to find out.
You think the fountain is literal?
그녀는 젊음의 셈에 대한 진실을 알고 있는 것 같았고
Do you think we should just get the kiss out of the way now?
Stop it now. Or we will stop you. All of you.
셈을 찾지 말라고 거듭 경고하죠.
Means that I will see you again.
다음 날
When you said you found the Rembrandt, I didn't expect it to be at the bottom of the North Atlantic.
샬럿의 힌트로 렘브란트의 진품이 있는 위치를 알아냈고
First-class passengers kept their safes in the purser's strong room, located in the front portion of the wreck.
그림이 잠들어 있는 곳은
The flotation tanks are in place.
인트로에 나왔던 100년 전 침몰된 난파선이었죠.
All right, let's go.
그런데
Oh, hello. Where did this come from?
샬럿도 함께 있습니다.
What you're doing is not insignificant. I wouldn't mind being part of that significance.
사실 그녀 또한 새로운 모험의 기대감에 벅차오르고 있었죠.
Figuring out where the purser's strong room is on the Lusitania.
한편 바닷속에선 부력 탱크의 힘을 받아 거대한 모습의 난파선이 올라옵니다.
Standing by. You two kids be careful.
All right.
남매가 난파선 안으로 들어가는데
Radar contact. Something incoming.
무언가가 이곳으로 접근 중입니다.
Coast Guard?
If it was, you'd have expected them to have hailed by now.
Luke, I need you to come in. There's
이런 상황을 까맣게 모른 채
Yahtzee.
그림을 발견했고 그림과 함께 있던 수많은 보석에 대해
No, we're not grave robbers.
얘기하고 있던 사이
The airbags failed. They don't have long.
난파선이 가라앉고 있었고
Hello.
레이더에 잡혔던 의문의 존재
Again.
길의 수호자들이 나타납니다.
What's going on here? I'm hurt. You've not mentioned me?
그렇게 전투가 시작되는데
Give me the painting.
샬롯이 인질로 잡혀버리고
Give me the painting. Give her the painting, Luke.
She's not gonna hurt you.
그림을 선택하죠. 하지만 주인공 버프로 도망치는데 배가 침몰하며 그물에 발이 걸린 루크. 배는 완전히 가라앉았고 그림과 바꿔먹었지만 구하러 와준 샬롯 덕분에 무사히 생還할 수 있었습니다.
Well, that was a hell of a risk to take with my life.
It was a calculation.
샬롯이 팀을 나가고 다음 날
I need you to take Thomas for a bit.
남편의 갑작스런 출장 때문에
For how long?
For about a year.
A year?
남편에게 넘어간 양육권을 잠시나마 돌려받게 되는데
Consulting for Carver Enterprises in Tokyo.
Owen Carver?
오원이 해준 일이었고
Sounds like good news.
Still not talking to you.
Sounds like you got your son back.
도움을 받은 입장에서
Mazel tov. Come on, we need your help.
모른 척할 수가 없었습니다.
Vanderbilt's Rembrandt revealed the letter V.
이제 모든 단서를 모았지만
Not getting anything remotely close.
알파벳을 어떻게 조합해봐도 지역을 알아낼 수 없던 상황. 그런데
In Latin, V is W.
샬롯의 결정적인 조언으로
Okay, so there's only one word that works. Wicked.
단서가 가리키는 장소를
Who was on the English throne in the early 1600s?
King James, 6 and 1.
And wicked.
The Wicked Bible.
알아냅니다.
1631, an edition was printed of the Bible with a mistake. The word not was omitted from thou shalt not commit adultery, so the verse instead read,
Thou shalt commit adultery.
That's why it's known as the Wicked Bible.
but what if it wasn't a mistake?
이제 성경을 조사해 볼 일만 남았죠.
I think I might know where one is.
그런데 그때
That's where I could see him.
인터폴이 들이닥쳤고
Charlotte Purdue, wrongfully accused. If I knew where he was, you'd be the first to know. Unfortunately for you, we now find ourselves with the thieves and the paintings all under one roof.
그런데 그때
Get down on knees, all of you now.
루크와 추격전을 벌였던 조직원들이 들이닥치고
That includes you too, Mr. Policeman.
단숨에 상황을 뒤집어 놓습니다.
I'm not happy, Luke. You make me look very bad.
Kazem, you gotta pick up your phone.
You think I'm dumb? I'm not dumb. I'm smart.
루크가 협상을 시도해 보는데
And your painting's right there. You let these 4 go and you can
Well, now they're mine anyway.
Not one. Caravaggio. So you let these 4 go and I'll tell you where it is.
Okay.
하지만 그림에 눈이 멀어 팀원들을 내보내줍니다.
Where is it?
It's right over here.
루크는 혼란한 틈을 타 도망치는 데 성공하죠.
I'm now a fugitive of justice. Thankfully, my son is now with me on the
And
lam.
that sense of adventure you've been lacking.
Found or forced into that sense of adventure? Free champagne? Yeah.
살짝 힘들어하는 샬롯을 데리고 악한 성경을 보유 중인 도서관에 도착합니다.
Mr. Perdue, I assume.
Yes.
Mr. Carver has been quite generous.
오원 찬스로 간단하게 비밀석으로 직행할 수 있었죠.
You would like to see the infamous misprint in the Ten Commandments, yes? In fact, it is not the only thing.
그런데
Okay, there's been a development.
길의 수호자들이 귀신같이 따라붙었고
Luke, your girlfriend's here with an army of pals.
성경을 조사할 시간을 벌기 위해
Could you direct me to the little boy's room?
혼자 수호자들을 막으러 나오는데
Where is that vicious bitch?
Well, that was easy.
운명같이 맞닥뜨린 그녀는
Looking for a book?
Do you have recommendations?
Nietzsche. Strangely, just like being abandoned in a sinking ship.
단단히 기분이 상해 있었죠.
You know I did mean to say I'm sorry about that.
On that note,
Okay.
그렇게 본격적으로 싸움이 시작됩니다. 겨우 도망갈 틈이 어림도 없었죠.
Friends?
You don't want what you're looking for.
힘들게 제압에 성공한 뒤 비밀석으로 돌아오는데
Any joy?
no joy.
아직 단서를 찾지 못한 상황.
You smell that?
I can smell it. I can smell smoke.
Breathe in deep.
그냥 성경죄로 훔쳐가기로 결정하죠.
What are you doing?
이들의 만행에 샬럿이 경악하지만
Please stick to your bomb.
Bomb?
더 큰 만행으로 묻어버립니다.
So, where are we?
All right, so we scanned the Bible twice, and there's nothing in the text proper.
하지만 성경에서 찾은 유일한 단서는
We've isolated a 1029 digit repeating pattern that's constructed using only digits 1 to 7.
The problem is we've tried rotation ciphers, transpositions, even asymmetric key ciphers.
모든 복호화 방식을 동원해봐도 도저히 해석할 수 없었죠.
Are you sure the code's numerical?
그런데 그때
This was a mistake. Thomas shouldn't be here.
이 팀의 범죄 행각에 진절머리가 난 샬럿이
Dad was all we had in common. Let's go, Thomas.
Charlotte.
토머스를 데리고 떠나버리는데
I'm gonna find us a hotel. I'm gonna get you some dinner.
Mom!
What?
It's not maths.
음악 신동이었던 토머스가
Pattern they found.
암호를 해독해냅니다.
Hey. Hello.
No, I don't want to hear it.
Sorry.
토머스의 눈에는
They're musical notes.
Can you write the notes down?
I can do better than that.
눈에 보이듯 그려졌던 선율.
Okay, I got it. The song is called Water in the Desert. It honors the 7 wonders of the ancient world.
7대 불가사의와 알파벳의 위치를 겹쳐보는데
All 6 points line up, except 1.
The pyramids of Giza.
그렇게 이집트로 향하는 루크 일행.
Three-dimensional scan of the pyramids. Take a look at that. Well, we have money bags to thank for that. And look what the scans found.
Secret chambers.
최신 기술을 이용해 숨겨진 공간을 발견했고
So pleased we could accommodate.
탐사 권한이 있는 교수를 섭외합니다. 그런데
What are you doing? No. You cannot do this.
Can we get rid of the professor, please?
No, Mr. Carver. This is a secret space.
젊음의 셈이 가까워지자
Owen, he's right. We can work our way in.
I can't.
평소와 달리 적극적인 오원.
Through the center of this room.
단서를 찾을 땐 항상 현장에 없었던 그는 현재
It's gotta be under that. And it moves to this plinth.
Let's just move it.
공격적으로 보일 정도였죠.
It's not gonna move.
Prager, tools.
Whoa, you can't just keep smashing your way through.
하지만 샬럿의 만류와 별개로
Fossilized basalt. We'll be here for a week.
공구조차 통하지 않아 난감한 그때 공간 전체에 울려 퍼지는 사막의 물. 선율에 반응하여 입구가 변형되었고 눈앞에 펼쳐진 금속판 위에 올라서자
Make sure we're not followed.
더 깊은 곳으로 인도하죠. 그렇게
The thirsty man betrays himself.
샘물을 마시러 온 자들에게 경고하는 듯한 비문을 지나
Is that it?
I think that's it.
That's a long way down.
까마득히 깊숙한 어둠 그 아래로 내려오죠. 과연 루크와 일행들의 운명은 어떻게 되는 걸까요? 영화 젊음의 영상 퀄리티와 가이 리치 감독, 명실상부 최고의 배우 나탈리 포트만까지, 거기에 실제 피라미드에서 액션씬을 촬영할 수 있는 특권을 얻은 최초의 영화라고 합니다. 젊음의 샘은 애플 TV 플러스에서 시청 가능함과 동시에 안드로이드용 애플 TV 플러스 앱에서도 시청 가능하심을 알려드리며 구독 한번 부탁드리고 물러가겠습니다. 감사합니다.
누구냐 너?
OTT.
너는 계획이 다 있구나. 허위가 계속되면은 그게 관리인 줄 알아.
근데 또 손잡이를 어이라 그래요. 어이. 너를 돌리려고 하는데 손잡이가 빠졌네. 이런 상황을 어이가 없다 그래요.
어이? 어이가 없네 개새끼. 아가리 또 고자이마스.